Hi there, I'm Jonathan Riley, CultureSource's Technologist in Residence for 2024. This is part 3 of our series on hot topics in tech. Our topic today is service design. Service design is a human-centered approach to creating meaningful and impactful experiences for your constituency. I like to think of it as applying user experience methods to low-tech or no-tech situations. As an example, we're going to look at planning a hybrid event and some of the considerations you might make along the way. A key tool in service design is journey mapping, a step-by-step method to understand the user experience, uncover pain points, find ways to improve them. Here's how it can work. First, you should define the journey by identifying the process you want to improve, like buying tickets for a hybrid event. This could also involve creating what are called personas, or hypothetical types of users who might use your system. Next, you should break it into stages, such as discovering the event, exploring the possible options, completing checkout, and receiving your confirmation email. After that, you could gather insights that align with your earlier personas through interviews, surveys, or observations to understand what users think, feel, and do at each stage. Now, you should try to spot pain points and opportunities, like simplifying confusing checkout processes or providing more instant ticket confirmations. Finally, you should visualize by creating a journey map that prioritizes solutions to improve the entire experience. Once tickets are purchased, the next time a user will likely interface with your event is showtime. Planning a hybrid event means ensuring both in-person and virtual experiences are accessible and engaging. For in-person attendees, focus on physical accessibility, clear communication, a well-trained staff, and concise wayfinding. For virtual participants, ensure the platform is user-friendly with captions, transcripts, and optimized content for different devices. Hybrid events also need strong integration, like synced schedules, shared content, and opportunities for audience interaction between virtual and hybrid events. This type of role is often time-consuming and specialized, so you may want to hire an expert who works in this field rather than do it yourself. By designing with both audiences in mind, service design ensures everyone is prioritized in the event planning process, whether they're in the room or tuning in from home. But service design doesn't stop at the topics we discussed in this video. You could employ a variety of other methods, including service blueprinting, stakeholder mapping, contextual inquiry, co-design, and user testing to build on these. I put some links to great organizations that do this kind of work in the blog post linked to this video. In the next 2 parts of this video series, we'll take what we've talked about so far and apply them to a real-world example, implementing an AI chatbot for an arts and culture organization.